Mix.
So this is the snow from last week still that's
Yeah,
lying here next to the road basically.
definitely.
Yeah, so there's no new powdery snow here now.
Nah, it's packed.
It's-
Ice.
Yeah.
I think this road does go through. But this car probably won't get over the mountain.
If it's a gravel road, we won't. This car won't, yeah. But if it's a tar road, still.
Fuck me sideways.
We're gonna have a view of the volcano.
No, it's on that side.
Goodness. That's the thing about an automatic. I mean, it's good. Here's the helicopter for
With a fucking ambulance.
ambulance. Here's some.
And you get a villa, yeah, you can own a villa. Tell me, we get those sunglasses, kid.
Suppose these are the parking areas and then you've got to walk up there.